Real-world, hands-on practice is essential for effective IT training, but cloud labs aren't always the right fit. Security restrictions, custom hardware requirements, tight budgets, or SaaS platforms that don't need a VM can all make traditional virtual lab hosting solutions impractical. Have you found yourself delivering remote hands-on IT training through tools like Zoom, Teams, or WebEx and wondering about students' progress in the lab or whether they are struggling and need help? Not having lab visibility leaves you in the unknown and can result in engagement drops, students getting stuck and frustrated, and you as an instructor feeling blindfolded. Remove your blindfold with ReadyTech Local Labs, a secure, cost-effective training solution that transforms each student's own computer into a fully monitored, virtual hands-on lab environment without relying on cloud VMs, VPNs, or external infrastructure. Whether you're training in secure environments, using specialized hardware, trying to reduce cloud costs, or training on SaaS tools, Local Labs is built to support them all. And yes, Local Labs does work with your go-to apps like Zoom, Teams, or WebEx, so you can keep using the tools you already rely on to deliver online training. On the other hand, if you like the idea of a one-stop-shop training portal, our browser-based platform is the way to go. It includes a virtual classroom designed for training, with a presentation timeline to keep you on track, a performance dashboard that measures learners' engagement and collaboration, built-in tools for quizzes and polls to keep things interactive, and a centralized materials library to organize and share training content. No more jumping between platforms or juggling separate systems, everything you need to deliver training through a single web portal. Local Labs gives you everything you need for real hands-on IT training, secure access, easy setup, complete visibility into student progress, and one-click remote control when needed. Want to learn more? Request a demo today.